ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरं असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। ऐवुन् ऋलुक् एओङ् ऐ औज् अयवरट् लण् ञमङणनम् जभै घढधश् जबगडदश् खफछठथ छटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचु यशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः उपोपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ यमङणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वा
जिह्वान्द्रियस्य जिह्वां
मूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिका
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमणिः
सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं
रमेशे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेणाभिगता
निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामानास्ति
परायणं
परायणं
परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलय सदा भवतु मे भो राम
मामुद्धर।
श्रीरामः शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति।
श्रीराम
समस्तजगतां रामं का गति।
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः।
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः।
नमः।
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे।
रामस्य सर्वं वशे।
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामे
भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामो मे विगितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्।
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्।
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्।
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्।
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सर्वसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय।
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय।
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टम् समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्। अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टम् तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्। संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते। We will learn one Subhashitam. It's good to memorize Subhashitam. So at least some 50 Subhashitams. Whenever you get time, you can memorize. The definition of Sutram and the Idam, others, that shloka also. What does it mean? Idam. And Samhita, Sandhi. When Sandhi happens, Samhita Ikapade Nitya. I will explain that little later when we further see more Sandhis, the Pasarga, etc. So these are all, it's good to memorize. Yeah, Gita also we will do this. Now, the Subhashitam, there are many Subhashita Bhandagara. Big book is a lot of Subhashitams. We need not know all. At least some Subhashitam we can memorize. It's good to memorize. Like one Subhashitam on mother, one Subhashitam on father, one Subhashitam on our Desha, country, Bharata Desha, like that. On values, Ahimsa, it's all very good, apt to quote also. Suppose if you are teaching later, so it will be useful. Janani Janmabhumischa
Janani Janmabhumischa
Jannavi Cha Janardanaha
Jannavi Cha Janardanaha
Janakah Panchamaschaiva
Janaka Panchamaschaiva
Jakarav Panchadurlabha.
Jakara Panchadurlabha.
There is some uniqueness in the words mentioned in the Subhashita. All the words, if you see, starting with
Ja.
5 Jakara. Jakaradi Shabdas are there. Number 1, Janani. Janani we know. Nadi Shabdavat. Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha. So Janani Jananyo Jananyaha. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Janani Shabdaha. What vibhakti Janani?
Pratama.
Pratama Ekavachanam. Pratama vibhakti Ekavachanam. Janma Bhumihi. Then Cha. Sandhi has happened, that we will see later. Janma Bhumihi Visarga. After that Cha is Avyaya. Janma Bhumihi. That is Bhumi Shabda. Ikaranta. Not like Mati. Bhumi is something special. We have some forms which are different from Mati Shabda, what we learned in the last class. Okay. So, Janma Bhumihi, Bhumihi, Pratama Bhakti is same, that much is enough. Janma Bhumihi. Then Jannavi, that is also
Like Nadi.
like Nadi. Jannavi, another name for Ganga. Srotasam Aham Jannavi. Bhagavan says where? Vibhuti Yoga, 10th chapter.
What does Jahnavi mean?
Ganga river. Ganga.
Sita.
No, not Sita.
Ganga.
Janaki is Sita. Jannavi.
River
Jannavi is the name of river Ganga. Ganga has got many names. Bhagirathi, Jannavi, so many names are there, right? Tripataha, Jannutaya. So, I think it's Jannavi is Jannu. Jannu is his mother or father, whatever it is. His daughter is Jannavi. Bhagirathi is another name. Suranimnaha, another name is there. I have so many names for Ganga. Suranimnaha. Trisrota, another name. In Gita, Bhagavan uses the name Janavi. Srotasa Magam Janavi. Madina Magam Ganga. Sundaraji, you wrote, already it is there in the Vibhuti Yoga. That's why I didn't repeat that. Janavi. Janardana. Janardana, we know. Jananardayati. Who is Janardana?
Vishnu.
Krishna. Bhagavan, if you see, the Gita, Arjuna addresses the Lord by 18 different names. Similarly, Bhagavan also addresses Arjuna in 18 different names. One of the name is Janardana. Jananardayati. Jananardayati, not Jana Nama Rakshasa. The Rakshasa is destroyed by the, or Jananardayati means Janana Papa. Jananardayati iti Janardanaha, the name of the Lord, that much is enough for us. Janardana Akaranta Shabda, like Rama Shabda, Prathama Ekavachanam. Then Janakaha, Janaka is father. Janaka means Janaka Maharaja also is the father of Sita. Or in Janaka also generally means Pita. Pitra Shabda, Rikarantaha, Pullingaha, Pitra Shabdaha, Pita. Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Janaka Shabdaha, like Rama Shabda, Janakaha, father. So Janani, number 1, Janmabhumihi, number 2, Janavi, number 3, Janardana, number 4, and Janakaha. These Panchamaha, these 5 Jakaraha. Jakara means Jakaradi Shabdaha, not just a words, what it refers to. Jakaraha, these 5 Jakaras. These 5 Jakaras are Pancha Durlabaha. Jakaraha also you can see. Bhagavachanam. Jakaraha, Jakaro, Jakaraha. By the word Jakara referring to the words beginning with Jakara and the words referring to those people. These 5 Pancha Durlabaha. Durlabaha means
Rare.
very difficult to obtain. Yeah. All the 5 Durlabaha Dukkena Labhyante. Very rare, very difficult to get. These 5 things are. Right? So you can memorize this. One more time we will do. Janani Janmabhumischa Jannavi cha Janardanaha.
Janani
Janmabhumischa Jannavi cha Janardanaha.
Janakav Panchamaschaiva Jakarav Pancha Durlabhaha.
Janaka
Panchamaschaiva Durlabhaha.
Janaka only for father means Janaka has the meaning of father. And Janaka happens to be the name of father of Sita also. That is different. Janaka Maharaja. That's why she is called Janaki. Janaka means Pita. Tataha. Pita.
The translation they have given company of father and mother. So
That's okay. I mean, like
it's an
Pita, its
interpretation.
mother is also included. That's why it's given. Okay. Right. This is
That's included in
extended
Janani
meaning.
only, no?
Janani is there. Yeah, Janani
Janani
also
is
is their
mother.
father. The
Janani is
father and
mother,
mother.
I thought, and Janaka is father, right?
That's right. That's what I thought also. Janani is mother, Janaka is father.
Yes.
Company of father and mother, it's okay. It's there, no? Both are there.
Yes.
In fact, if you say Pitaro, it's mentioned, both are included. But here all are in Jakara, therefore separately mentioned Janani, Janaka, iti. Okay. This is a good Subhashita. You can see Pancha Durlabaha, Pancha. The numerals declension we will see later. Pancha is Bhagavachanam only. Always the numerals starting from 3 onwards Bhagavachanam. We will see that later. Because we have to know many Shabdas. These 5 are Durlabaha. Durlabaha is Bhagavachanam. Durlabaha, Durlabhav, Durlabaha. Because 5 are there. Therefore Bhagavachanam, Durlabaha. So Pancha Durlabaha. Ete Pancha Jakaraha Durlabaha Santi Loke. Te ke Janani Janmabhumihi Janavi Janardanaha Janakaha cha. Iti ete Pancha Jakaraha Loke Durlabaha Bhavanti. This is just our simple understanding. Anvaya. Prose order. Okay. Fine. This, please memorize this. I'll send you this also. Whenever you get time, it's not compulsory, okay? It's good for you to memorize. They all take good samskaras. Memorizing the shlokas, memorizing the Gita, memorizing Upanishad, memorizing the chantings, whatever Rudram or Suktam, etc. It's good to memorize. Gita also. Gita should be in your head, not in the book. Pustakasta ya vidya parastam gatam danam. Karyakali samprapte nasa vidya natad danam. All the knowledge should be here, not in the book. Right?
Janani, please send this shloka also.
Yeah, that's Vashita we will do next class.
Yeah,
Okay.
other four items are easier. And the
Ah.
only thing, meeting Lord Krishna is very difficult. It is.
You will meet him in your altar when you do puja. Okay.
By the way, who has written this?
Other four are easy. It's very difficult
Yeah,
to see Ganga
yeah,
also.
we can
Ganga,
go.
you
Yeah.
have to work. Should have punya to go and touch the Ganga also. Not everyone enjoys that bhagyam. It's, those who are old, how they will not travel. They are not able to travel. How they will reach Ganga? Right? Many factors are involved. So not easy. That's why Durlabhaha. If it is easy, then why Durlabhaha is there? All the five factors are difficult. You should have done some punyam. Some punyam must be there in your account. Then only all the five are possible. And Janani, of course, Janakaha, both alive till at least cross 60. It's a bhagyam, right? Both are alive and it's not easy. They're all Durlabhaha. Even Janani Janma Bhumihi, Janavi Janardana, Janaka is there. I will add one more Jaya for those Grihasthas, Jaya, wife also should be alive, because I know how my friend, was disturbed with the loss of his wife recently. Okay. And that too, when he's 45 and she is 42 or something. The rest of his life, obviously, going to lead. And he's got a son who is doing college. Right? Only now 2 males are there, no woman in the family. What will happen to the family without a woman? So Jaya also. So we can make Jaya also, but this Shat Jakaraha Durlabaha we can add. Okay. Anyway, the shloka says 5. Right. Jaya also we can add.
Who
Okay,
has composed this shloka, sir?
this is all Subhashita. It's all there. The tradition and collection. It's all collected, compiled by someone. That person name I don't know. Like we have Periya Puranan, no, it's compiled. Similarly, this is also compiled. Compilation of all these shlokas.
Okay.
No particular person. See, who writes the author? No, in our tradition, nobody writes. No, this is like me. That after writing 5 shlokas written by Sharan, like that, our ancestors they don't put their names. Okay, so they are not that much egoistic like us. Put the name behind. No, after the creation, we put a small one shloka. We will put written by Sharan ji. No, they won't put all those things. Anonymous only. Okay. अतः प्रथमोऽध्यायः Thanks to Arvind ji. I remember, otherwise I would have forgotten to do this chanting. Who is saying this from 11th shloka? Whose words are they?
Sanjaya.
Sanjaya. Yeah. Sanjaya Uvacha. From 11th shloka, I think. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Please ask me, what is it?
No, I said I couldn't see the full screen. So whether I need a book to read, is that?
Do you see the screen now?
Yeah, I can see it's not starting from where you're reading.
No. I'm reading from the 11th shloka. I'm going to read. Not yet. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yatha bhagavavasthitaah. Bhishmamevabhirakshantu bhavantas sarva eva hi. Now, whenever we're going to see Sandhi later, when Visarga is followed by Shar letter. What are Shar letter? In advance, I tell you this. Sha, sa, ha, you leave it.
Ushmarna.
We take only the Katora Vyanjanani, Khar. That is Sha, sa. The 3, right? All the hard consonants, not the high, soft sibilant. Leave that out. So this Sakara, this Visarga will take the pronunciation of the following Shar letter. If it is Sakara, then Visarga will become Sakara. Bhavantas. If it is Murdanya Shakara, then Visarga will become Murdanya. If it is Talavya, it will become Talavya. Okay. Bhavantas optionally. We can say Bhavantaha Sarvayevahi also. Nothing wrong. That is why it's given like this. So Visarga can become the following sibilant, heart sibilant in a Sandhi context. Optionally. It's a rule. We will see, learn the Sandhi rule later. That's why we chant Bhavantas Sarvayevahi. Okay. And another thing is, here all these words you can spot. Sarveshu, Ayaneshu, what vibhakti? You don't have to know the Shabda. You can tell.
Saptami.
Saptami.
Saptami Bhagavachanam. In fact, Ayaneshu, you know. Ayanam is like Pala Shabda. Ayanam, Ayane, Ayanani, Ramayanam, Paleshu, Ayaneshu. Sarva is a pronoun. That we will see. We have not yet seen the Sarva Shabda. In fact, that also like that Shabda. Sarteshu, Sarveshu, same format. But there are some differences. We will see that later. Yatabhagam avastitaha. Avastitaha, here. Avastitaha, what vibhakti, what vachanam? You can spot all this.
Pratama Vibhakti.
Yeah, simple. Pratama vibhakti, bhagavachanam. And yeva, he, all these are indeclinables.
Avyaya.
Right? Bhavantaha. What is Bhavantaha? Not Kriyapadam, okay?
You.
You,
Sashti.
Bhavan,
Vishma.
Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. You all, you yam. Bhavantaha is equal to you yam. You yam. When do we use you yam? Tvam, yuvam, you yam.
Bahuvachanam.
No.
Bahuvachanam.
When do we, I mean, Bhagavachanam fine. It is middle
Bahuvachanam.
person, Madhyama Purusha.
Second person.
Madhyama Purusha. Madhyama Purusha.
When we address people who are of same age or below, younger,
Same.
Bhavantaha is with respect. Bhavan Acharyaha, Bhavan Guruhu, Bhavan Pita, Adhyapakaha, like that. Bhagavachanam, Bhavan, Bhavantau, Bhavantaha. You remember we asked in the class, Bhavataha Namakim, Bhavatyaha Namakim, just we read once. We will read again later. So Bhavantaha is equal to Yuyam, but Bhavantaha with respect. Okay. Fine. Tasya Sanjanayan Harsham Uruvriddhah Pitamahaha. Yeah, you please listen to the recording and you can repeat. Okay, we don't have time to repeat. Simhanadam vinadyochaihi or vinodyochai shankam dadbau prathapavan.
Simhanadam vinadyochaihi samradho pratapavan.
I told now Visarga followed by the shar letter. Visarga will take the sound of the sibilant. Vinadyochai shankam, you can say. Or if you are pausing after this second, third quarter. Singhanadam vinadyochaihi shankam dadmau prathapavan. You can do like that also. So in this shloka, the words what you know. Tasya. Tasya is
Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti Vibhakti.
of what shabda?
Tat.
Tat shabda. Kuruvriddhaha.
Kuruvriddha Pratama.
Like Rama shabda, Pratama ekavachanam, Kuruvriddhaha, Kuruvriddhau, Kuruvriddhaha. Pitamaha.
Ekavachan.
Pratama Pitamagaha, Pitamahau, Pitamaha. Other words we need to learn. So it will come. Later we will be able to spot it. Now we may not, but later when you learn more shabda, you will see. Now here, Tataha, then Shakara. How can we chant this? How do we chant? Tatashankascha bhedyascha panavanaka gomukha. Tataha is avyayam, indeclinable. Okay.
After.
Then Berya Shankaha cha. Beryaha cha. Because of Sandhi, Visarga has become Shakara. We will learn that. Shankaha, Bhagavachanam, Shanka Shabda, like Rama Shabda. Beryaha, Beryaha, how do you decline Beryaha? Shankaha Bhagavachanam, many conches and many berry. Berry is, I think, kettle drums, right? Beryaha. What is it is Bhagavachanam. Then what is the, I give a clue. It is Bhagavachanam.
Like Nadi Shabda?
It is a Nadi, or it could be like berry, or it could be Rasva. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha.
Yeah, very.
You can guess like that. Nadi, Nadyo,
कर्तः
Nadyaha.
कर्तारो कर्तारः
No. How can be Kattara? Beryaha. Arihi, Ari, Areha. Mati, Mati, Mateyaha. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha. That is Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha. There's no correction, right? Deri is, in fact, it is Ikarantaha Nadi Shabdavat. That's correct. Beri, Beryau, Beryaha. From the Bhagavachanam, Rupam of the Shabda, we have to infer what Shabda is. Reverse. Given the Shabda, you know how to decline. Just, you can copy from the format and then write it. But now you have to, Beryaha, you have to find out the Pratipadikam. Beri, Beryau, Beryaha. Shankaha, Shankau, Shankaha. Similarly, Vanavanaka, Gomukhaha is what Vachanam? What Vibhakti we know?
Bahuvachanam.
Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam.
Bhagavachanam.
Tataha means then. Then Shanka, Berya, all those things, they okay. Sahasaivaabhyahan yanta sashabdastumulo bhavat.
शब्दस्तुमुलो भवत्
Here avagraha is there. It means
Sound is there.
is elided. To show that is there, he has given avagraha. We will see what it is, what sandhi is that later. Next shloka you see Tataha, then followed by sibilant. Therefore, you can Tatashvetair Hayair Yukte Mahatisyandane Sthitau.
श्वेतैर्हरैर्युक्ते महतिस्यन्दने
स्थितौ
Madhavav Pandavaschaiva Divyau Shankau Pradhamatuhu. See, you are all intelligent, you can know. Stito, what vibhakti, what vachanam?
प्रथमा
Like Rama Shabda, Stitaha, Stito. Why Stito? Two people are seated. One is Madhava. Other one is
Arjuna.
Pandava, referring to Arjuna. Pandavaha. Then Madhavaha. Because two people are there, therefore Stito. And they are blowing their conch, respective conches. How many conches then?
Two.
Therefore Shankau. Shankaha. Shankau. And qualified by what kind of Shanka? Divine. Divyaha. Divyaha. So two conches, therefore Divyau, Shankau. If there are many people, Divyaha, Shankaha. Understand? But here Divyau, Shankau is not Pratama Vibhakti. It is an object of blowing. Therefore it is Dvitiya. Because Ramaha, Ramaha. Ramam. That is the Ramo. That is the Divya. Just don't think it is Pratama Vibhakti. Madhava, Pandava also Pratama Vibhakti. This also will be Pratama Vibhakti. No. They are the Karta. These are the Karma, the object. Understand? Okay. If it is too much, don't worry. Just giving the words you can recognize with whatever little knowledge you have. Okay. I'm just showing that. If you understand, it's okay. Otherwise, also it's fine. Don't worry. Later, you will be able to understand all these things. So Divya is 2-2. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Vivachanam. Shankau also 2-2. Dvitiya, because it is object. Then here you see Shvetaihi, Hayaihi. What Vibhakti? You know the Shabda.
Three.
Ramaihi.
Third.
Exactly.
And Bhagavachanam.
Ramaihi. So therefore, what is the Pratipadikam of Shvetaihi?
Shweta.
Shvetah.
Shvetah.
Shveta.
Shveta.
Pratipadikam
Shveta
only
is
masculine, not
Pratipadikam.
Oh, Shweta.
Shveta.
Shveta.
Shveta. Hayaihi.
Haya.
Haya. Haya means horse. Ashva. So,
Haya.
you remember I gave some example. Shvetaha, Rama, something like that. Well, adjective. Taken from here only. Shvetaha, Ashvaha. Something I gave. Eshaha, Shvetaha, Ashvaha, something. All taken from here. Only from Gita. Immediately comes to my mind only Gita. So, Shveta, Shvetahi, Ayahi. Okay. Syandane, that also you can guess. What is Syandana means chariot. Ratha. Syandane.
Hindi. Saptami.
Then seventh.
Very good.
Saptami Vibhakti.
Saptami Vibhakti, the horses, the chariot which is tied up, which is yoked with white horses. Shveta is white. Haya is horses. The chariot is yoked with white horses. That's the meaning. Syandane. Syandanam, Syandane, Syandanani. Like Palashabda. Okay, next one. Only 5 shlokas we will read. Okay, otherwise it will become a Gita class. Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadatthan Dhananjayah.
Panchajanyam Rishikesho Devadatthan Dhananjayah.
Pondram Tadmau Mahashankham Bhimakarma Vrkodaraha.
Tadmau Mahashankham Bhimakarma Vrkodaraha.
You can spot the words which are in the Pratama Bhakti, the Shabdas which you are familiar. Yeah, Rishi Keshaha only. It has become Rishi Kesho because of Sandhi. We will learn that. Rishi Keshaha, what Vibhakti?
Prathama ekavachana.
Pratama. Rishi, some say Rishi, some say Rishi. Rishi means Indriya. Rishi Kanam Ishaha. The Lord of Indriyas is called Rishi Kesha. Dhananjayaha, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
Pratama Vibhakti.
Pratama Bhakti, Dhanam Jayati iti Dhananjayaha, the one who conquers all the kingdoms and their wealth. Arjuna, referring to Arjuna. So both are in Pratama Bhakti, right? Devadattam can guess what Vibhakti must be. That is, yeah, Dvitiya. Devadattaha, Devadattau, Devadattaha. Devadattam, like Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam. So Rishikesha, he blew the conch, Panchajanyam. Dhananjayaha blew the conch, Devadatta. Understand? Dhananjayaha, Devadattam, Dhamati. Dhamati, I'm using present tense. Dhamati. Dhamati means blow. Rishikeshaha, Panchajanyam, Dhamati. Simple. Okay. So Devadattam is Dvitiya, object of blowing. Then Pondram, Dadmau, Mahashankam. Mahashankam, Bhimakarma, leave it. Bhimakarma is not like Akaranta Srilinga. It is Pullinga. Why it is Pullinga? Because it is qualifying Vrikodaraha. Vrikodaraha is substantive. Bhimakarma is adjective. If it is an adjective substantive relationship, then both have to be same vibhakti, same vachanam, same gender. Okay. Then Bhimakarma cannot be Akaranta Srilinga. It has to be Pullinga, that we will see. In fact, it is Nakaranta Shabda. We will learn later. But Vrikodaraha, you know what vibhakti, what vachanam. Virkaha is wolf. He has got stomach like that of a wolf, very thin stomach. He can consume a lot, but his stomach will not become bulging. I don't consume, but my stomach has become bulging. What to do? But he consumes a lot, but his stomach is never bulging. Vrikodaraha.
Udaraha means stomach. Brika
is wolf. Okay. So whatever words you can spot here, I'll be happy. Okay, other words, don't worry. You cannot spot all the words. If you spot all the words, then you don't require Sanskritam class, right? You know all. So whatever words you can spot, that's good. Okay, let us get back to 5 shlokas enough. Okay, let us quickly chant this. We will do some exercise now. Just a minute. Aham avam vayam.
Vayam.
See, this you should bhayat. You should know. This only Pratama Bhakti Ekavacham of some Shabdas. Of course, Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda. By heart, you know. So this is Asmat Shabda. Pratama Bhakti only I'm asking to memorize. Aham avam vayam. We will be using our exercises. Abhyasa. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Ramah Ramo Ramaha.
Ramaha.
Harihi Hari Harayaha. Guru Guru Guravaha. Pita Pitarau Pitaraha. Pita is, what is the Pradipadikam?
Pitru.
Pitru, Rikaranta. Karta Kartaro Kartaraha. Please know the difference between the two. It is Pita Pitaro, Karta Kartaro. Okay. Ayam Imo Ime.
Ayam
Eshaha Yeto Yete. Yahayo Ye. Sahataute. Kaha Kauke. Do you have any difficulty in reading this or remembering this? It's a matter of practice. Okay. Daily you do it ritually. Chant this morning and Nitya Karma for you. Please do it. Then you will definitely you'll be able to commit memory this. Okay, let us do this. Last class we were reading the usage of Ayam Shabda, Ayam, then Ayam Shishyaha. What is the meaning?
This is
This.
I am a student.
He is.
I am a student. Not, I am not English.
Oh,
I am.
Okay. Aham. Okay, I thought. Aham. Okay.
Agam Shishyaha, I am a student. I am Shishyaha, this is a student.
This is a student.
I am Chalakaha.
this
I am
driver.
This is a Chalakaha is driver. See, in Hindi we have Chal. Chal means move.
Go.
Chalaka. Chalati. Chalaka. Chalati moves. Chalaka means cause to move. Who causes to move? Driver. Okay. I am Alayaha.
This
This is a temple.
This
This is a temple. I am Acharyaha.
This is
is
This is a teacher.
This is a guru.
See, I am Shishyaha Asti. If I had said, probably you would not have said, I am Shishyaha, I am a student. Because there Asti is there. So therefore, you know it is Prathama Purusha, not Asmi. Right? Krishna Swamiji.
Yeah, correct,
So,
sir.
Aham Shishyaha Asmi, if you say, then you will say, I am a student.
I
But
am.
I am confused with English I am. I am Shishyaha Asti. Then there will not be any confusion. Yeah. Sometimes in the class also it will be confusing. I am, Swamiji says, I am is what he's saying. Is it talking about, I am means reflexive pronoun, or I am means I am Atma Brahma? So you need to think. Okay. The noun form I am, we know what is the meaning, this, right? And what is it? Pradipadikam. We saw.
Idam.
Idam. Idam is a Pradipadikam, common Pradipadikam, but depending on the gender, declensions are different. In Pullinga, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Ayam. Is it clear? Ayam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Pullinga. So which refer to things or beings which are masculine. Right? So Shishyaha is Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, I am Shishyaha, I am Chalakaha ityadi. Then Eshaha Kaha. Eshaha is,
near.
Easy.
that is also this,
Yeah.
but something which is Samipa
Near.
Taravarti, what we chanted now, right?
Yes.
Eshaha Kaha. Who is this? Eshaha
Ganesha.
Ganeshaha. Always we can have the Kriya Padam Asti, even if it is not there understood. Whether you use the Kriya Padam or not, Prayujamane, Aprayujamane, it is understood. Whether you use it or not, because it is Pratama Purusha, it cannot be Asmi, it cannot be, you, asi, it should be asti. Something is. Neither you nor me, somebody else, something else, asti. Similarly, eshaha kaha, eshaha sauchikaha. Need to slowly build up your vocabulary. Sauchika means tailor. Eshaha kaha, eshaha durabashaha. Durabashaha is akaranta shabda, durabashaha like Rama shabda. Duravani, if you say it is Nadi Shabdavat, Duravani, Duravani. Jangama Duravani means mobile phone.
Yesha.
Jangama is movement. So you carry the mobile. Jangama Duravani.
Sir, what is Darvi?
Darvi is spoon, ladle. Eshaha Balakaha. Eshaha Naraha. Eshaha Balaha. Balaha Balakaha. No difference. Meaning boy. Eshaha Simha, lion. So Eshaha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of what Shabda?
Etat Shabda.
Etat Shabda. Dakarantaha Pullingaha Etat Shabdaha Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is Eshaha. Then similarly, Imau. Let us use. What is Imau? Ayam. Ayam Imau. There is no Amau. Okay. There is no Ayam Amau. Ayam Imau. Imau is these two.
These two.
Imau Balaha. Can we say?
Balau.
Imau Balau. So Imau acting as adjectival pronoun. So that's called Samana Adhikaranyam. This is Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, and we are using another noun, right? It should concur with the Vibhakti and Vachanam. That is called Samana Adhikaranyam. This is qualified by this noun. So therefore here you cannot use Ayam Balau. These are all basic syntax. Okay. Imau Devo. Ayam Devaha. Imau Devo. Ime Devaha. Ime is Bhagavachanam. Going to come, we'll see. Similarly here, Ayam Balaha. Imau Balau. Imau Shikshakau. Meaning?
These.
These two are?
These two are teachers.
Teachers. Shikshaka is Pullinga or Strilinga?
Pullinga.
Pullinga.
It is Pullinga. How do we know it is Pullinga?
Imau.
Because
Oh, Imau.
Imau.
you
Imau.
don't know the linga, you see the noun. Imau. Is there any word Imau in Strilinga?
No.
Ime, Imaha. There is no Imau in Strilinga. Okay, Imau is only in Pullinga. Therefore, it must be Pullinga. Shikshika will be Strilinga. Shikshika, like Rama Shabdavat. Balaka, Balika. Shikshaka, Shikshika. Adhyapaka, Adhyapika. Chalaka, Chalika. Understand? All become Ika like that. So, Imau Chatrau. Imau Chatrau.
These two
Chatrau is also only in Pullinga. See, Chatra Akaranta Shabda. Chatra Akaranta Shabda. Chatra Akaranta Shabda Pullinga. Male student. Chatra, female student. So if it is Strilinga, suppose Chatra, Chatre, Chatra. Chatre only is there. How is only in Pullinga? Chatraha, Chatrau. Therefore, when seeing the pratyaya au, you should be able to spot immediately this is Pullinga. Suppose in case if you don't know what is Imau, so no, you have to spot like that. If you should know both, Imau is Pullinga, then Chatrau. Because we don't have Chatrau in Strilinga. Chatra, Chatre, Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Understand? So Imau Balakau, Imau Vanarau. Ayam Vanaraha, Imau Vanarau. Then Etau. Etau is? Etau.
Eshaha Etau Ete.
Eshaha Etau Ete. Etau Kau. Who are they to or what are they to? Whatever it is. See, the cow referring to that. So if it is inert object, we can say what? Or if it is some human being, then you can say who. Etau Kau. Who are these two? Possible. Depending on the context, you have to translate. Okay. So kah, kau, ke. Remember, kah, kau, ke. Etau, kau, etau,
Ashvau.
ashvau.
Ashwau.
Eshah, ashvah. Etau, ashvau. Etau, kau, etau, gajau. These two are
Gajau. Elephants.
etau, kau, etau,
Balikau.
balakau. Etau, kau, etau, siutau. Siuta is meaning bag.
Bag.
Pullinga shabda. Bag also has got gender. Okay, Pullinga shabda. Etau, kau, etau, siutau. So etau meaning these two. So Pullinga, Pratama, Vibhakti, Dvivachanam of the Pratipadikam etad. Etau vyagrau. Vyagra is
Tiger.
tiger. Eshaha vyagraha. Etau vyagrau. Etau gajau. Etau nripau. What is etau nripau? Nripa is?
King.
King.
So we have nripaha, bhupatihi. You know, many words are there. Raja also is there. Raj also is there. Rat. Etau vrikshau. Next one. Then ime. Ayam, imau, ime. Pratama vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Of the Pratipadikam, idam. So ime hamsaha. Ime amsaha, ime, ayam, imau, ime. The word ime is there in Srilinga also. The ime, the word is there in Napumsakalinga also. But here amsaha, it is Bhagavachanam. Therefore, it must be Pullinga. Because in Srilinga and Napumsakalinga, ime is Dvivachanam. These two are used together. Therefore, this is qualified by amsa is qualified by ime, adjectival pronoun. Therefore, both of them must be of same vibhakti, same vachanam, same gender. Amsa is akaranta shabda, Rama shabda, like Rama shabda. So amsaha, amsaha, it is Bhagavachanam. Therefore, ime also must be Bhagavachanam.
Ayam.
So we have to narrow down that you have to dismiss. This is not Srilinga. This is not Napumsakalinga. Understand? Context. Similarly, ime vruddhaha. Ime vruddhaha. What is the Pratipadikam of vruddhaha?
Vriddha.
Vruddha. Vruddha also is there. Srilinga. Vruddha is old man. Vruddha, old woman. Vruddha, vruddhe, vruddhaha. But here vruddhaha, does it referring to many old women or many old men?
Many old
Many
women.
old
And
people. Lingam.
Old. Why? Because ime is
Lingam.
ayam, imau, ime. If it is Srilinga, here it will be imaha. Srilinga we have not learned, we will learn later. Then here it will be imaha, it will be there. Okay. Ime is Bhagavachanam. Pratama vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Therefore, it is Pullinga only. Ime vruddhaha. So, ime shishyaha, ime astaha, ime alayaha, ime acharyaha. Then usage of ete. Ete is Pratama vibhakti Bhagavachanam of etat shabda. Ete balakaha. Gardaba. Gardaba means
Donkey.
donkey.
Sabha.
Donkey. These are donkeys. Ete ajaha. Ajaha meaning
goat.
goat. Ajaha, even Gita we use Ajo Nitya Shashvatoyam Puranaha. That means what? Bhagavan says this is goat. Atma is goat. Atma is one time, goat is greatest of all time. That is okay. This is goat. Aja means najayate iti. That doesn't have janma is called. Janma na vidyate yasya is called ajaha. That which doesn't have janma, birth, is called ajaha. Therefore, atma there. Here ajaha means goat. Okay.
Goats.
Ajaha, the word being used, see the context. Is it as a compound? Ajaha means it is atma, referring to atma. Janmana vidyate yasya, that which doesn't have janma. Therefore, maranam also is not there. Marana ragitaha, janma ragitaha, atma. But here aja is goat. Okay. Then chitrani drishtva ekavachanani dvivachanani bhagavachanani likata. Now you will do from here only exercise starts. Krishakaha means farmer. Eshaha krishakaha, eto krishakau, ete krishakaha. Ayam rishabhaha, rishabhaha or vrishabhaha. Both means both. We can use the word rishabha or vrishaba, bull. Ayam Vrishabha, Imo Vrishabhau, Ime Vrishabhaha. Now, well, you will do this exercise. Okay. I will call the names you can do. Savitri, starting from you. Please fill in the blanks.
Ballukah,
Hmm.
etau, ballukau, etaha, ballukah.
No, that's wrong. Etaha is wrong. Eshaha, etau, ete.
Oh, nahi, ete. Sorry.
Etaha is Srilinga. That's what in the examples are given. You're doing only Pullinga now. Srilinga later we will do. Eshaha, etau, ete. Ete.
Ballukaha.
Ballukaha. What is balluka?
It's bear.
Bear.
Then next, Savitri, you continue. Next one.
Eshaha mandukah.
Yeah. Mandukau is given to help you. Dvivachanam. Then you can now find out the Ekavachanam.
Etau mandukau, ete mandukaha.
Continue.
Eshaha kapotaha.
Not Eshaha.
Is
See,
imau is there, so I am kapotaha, imau kapotau, ime kapotaha.
yes. Chitraji.
Eshaha. Oh my God. Eshaha Paryankah. Eshaha
Not a problem in reading. Paryankaha.
Paryankah. What does
Yes.
it mean?
Photo itself
Eshaha
given.
Paryankah.
Bed. Okay.
Etau Paryankau.
Hmm.
Etaha Paryankaha.
Ete Paryankaha, not Etaha.
Sorry,
You have to
ete
correct the mistake.
Paryankaha. Ete
All of you.
Paryankaha.
We are doing Pullinga. There is no Etaha. Remember.
So, of course, yes.
Hmm.
I am Chatraha. Imau
Not-
Chatrau.
Where is Chatra? This is Chatra. Does it look like Chatra?
I am. I
If
didn't
this
see
is
the
Chatra,
picture.
then what about parrot?
I
It
was
is Chatra,
seeing
Srilinga. Huh?
I was seeing
It-
off
it
the
may-
screen. I am Kakaha.
Do you
Imau
mean
Chatrau.
I'm teaching all the kakas, the Chatras, the class? Come on.
I am Kakaha. Imau Kakau. Ime Kakaha.
Next one.
Eshaha Suchikaha. Etau
Sauchikaha.
Suchikaha.
Sauchikaha.
Sorry. Eshaha Sauchikaha. Etau Sauchikau. Ete Sauchikaha.
See, if you are all kakas, then I must be Andangaka. Okay, the teacher. If all students are kakas, then I must be Andangaka teaching. Okay. Next person, Indraji.
Eshaha Rishabhaha. Etau Rishabhau. Ete Rishabhaha.
Yes.
Etau kau.
Etau Kukura.
Again, sorry.
No, see, Etau Kav is a question. What are these two? You have to answer. Etau.
Okay.
What is the word for dog? Kukura.
Cook. Oh, sorry, I didn't know, sir.
You have to know it. Level up. I mean, slowly you
Yes.
pick up the vocabulary. Kukura.
Kukura.
Sarameya also is many words are there. Yeah.
Shunaka also.
Shunaka. Why not?
Shunaka.
Shunischaiva Shvapakecha Panditaha Samadarshinaha comes in Gita. Shunakau, Kukurau, Sarameyo. Okay. Please note this.
Yes.
Shvana also, Shanti, Shvanaha.
Shvana is difficult to decline. Shva, Shvano, Shvanaha. Shvan Shabda, Nakaranta Shabda. I'm giving all Akaranta Shabda which you can easily understand. Shvan also is there, yes, right. That Pratama Bhakti Ekavacham is Shva. So different. So Kukura, Sarameya, Shunaka, all these are Akaranta Shabda like Rama Shabda. Okay, next one.
I'll do. Etau kau. No.
It's right only.
Imau kau.
Oh, yeah. Imau kau, yes.
Imau Vali Vardau.
Bali, not Vali. Bali Vardau.
Vali Vardau.
means Rishabho ityartha. Same meaning. Balivarda means bull. Another name. So Rishabha, Vrishabha, Balivarda. You see, many words are there. There are
Okay, sir.
240 words there for water. There are so many words for Bhumi. So we need not know all, at least some of the synonyms we can know. Okay.
Yes.
Next person, Sundaraji.
एषः एषः कः एषः स्यूतः एषौ कौ एतौ स्यूतौ एते के एते स्यूताः.
Yes. Raktasthānāni purayata. Okay. This also you can see here. I am kavihi imau kavi ime kavayaha. You can understand this. I am akuhu. Aku means a rat. Like what shabda? Akuhu.
गुरु शब्द.
Akuhu. Guru shabda. Guru guravaha. Akuhu aku akavha. I am akuhu. This is a rat. Imau aku ime akavaha. I am pita. Imau pitarau. Ime pitaraha. Yeshah harihi. Eto hari. Ete hareha. All the combination will come. So you have to think and do it. Next
I
one.
am
Next three. Yeah. Okay. Do it.
Do I continue, Sharanji?
Yeah. Okay. Do it. You already started. Do it. Yeah.
I am Ravihi. Imau Ravi. Ime Ravayaha. This is ete. Eshah kapihi. Etau kapi. Ete kapayaha. Imau. I am Girihi. Imau Giri. Ime Giravaha. Girayaha.
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 If it is E yaha. U vaha. Okay. Guru vaha. E like Ari yaha. Arayaha. Okay. Soumyaji.
Sharanji, I just have a question. Is it Samanadhikaranyam or Samanadhikaranam or Samanadhikaranam?
Both are same. Samanadhikaranyam is tadita. Samanadhikaranam also same meaning only. Both are
Do we
same.
use it interchangeably?
Interchangeably we can use. Why not?
Okay, thank you.
Soumyaji, this is.
एषः श्रीपतिः एतौ श्रीपति एते श्रीपताः
Patayaha. Like
पतयः.
Shabda Arayaha.
Okay.
Shripati, you have to say etau, eshaha etau Shripati Dirgha.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. एषः अग्निः एतौ अग्नि एते अग्नयः.
Agnayaha. Remember Ari format. Ari, E is replaced by Ayaha, Arayaha. Agni replace E by Ayaha, Agnayaha.
अग्नयः. Okay. एषः मुनिः एतौ मुनि एते मुनयः. एषः उद्धतिः एतौ उद्धती एते उद्धदयः.
No, not Uddha. It is Uda. Uddadihi, Uddadi,
उद्धदयः.
Uddadayaha.
Okay.
Uddati
Esha-
means sea, is it?
Ocean.
Ocean.
एषः अब्धिः एतौ अब्धि एते अब्धयः.
Abdayaha.
I'll continue.
What does Abdihi mean?
Abdihi also means ocean. Sea. Okay.
I'll
Yeah,
continue.
next one also.
Okay.
Last one.
Can you just scroll down once? I want to see the top once again.
Top.
First examples which they had given.
Example.
This one, yeah.
Okay. Last one. These two.
एषः मणिः एतौ मणि एते मणयः
Yes. Money is pearl. Any now, Arvindji. The 6.
एषः पाणिनिः एतौ पाणिनी एते पाणिनयः एषः शम्भुः एतौ शम्भू एते शम्भुवः
Shambhavah.
शम्भवः शम्भवः एषः धातुः एतौ धातू एते धातवः एषः मन्युः एतौ मन्यू एते मन्यवः
What is Manyu? Naham karoti kamak karoti naham karta kamak karta.
क्रोधः
Somebody Manyu. Yes. Kamo kashi manira kashit namo namaha. We say no. That Manyu. Anger. Krodhaha ityarthaha.
अयं साधुः
You know,
इमौ
Manyave. Namaste Rudra Manyava. Uto Taishave Namaha Manyave. Gurave. Guru Guru Guravaha Gurum Guru Gurune Guruna Gurubhyam Gurubhi Gurave. Manyuha Manyu Manyaha Manyu 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 Manyuna Guruna Manyuna Manyubhyam Manyubhi Manyave. That's what is Chaturthi. Namaha Manyave Namaha. To the one who is angered or angry, to him Namaskara. That's what Rudra is. Rodayati iti Rudraha. He will make you cry. It's not like that. I mean, it gives Karmapala Data. That is the meaning. Rudra. So, Manyave comes in Rudram, very second line, which you're able to spot. Manyave is Pratipadikam is Manyu. Tasmai Namaskaraha. Okay.
there is a whole suktam called Manyu Suktam.
Manyu Suktam also is there. Yes.
Sharanji, how did you define Rudra?
Different way we can divide. One way is Rodayati iti Rudraha. He will make you cry. This is one meaning, but other meanings are also given. Okay.
Rujinam Dravayati is something I have heard.
Yeah, that also he will make all your Karmapala go away also. So that's Rudraha. Okay. Continue.
Ayam sadhuhu imau sadhu ime sadhavah एषः अभिमन्युः एतौ अभिमन्यू एते अभिमन्यवः
Okay, Krishna Swamiji. You are getting a tougher one.
एषः दाता एतौ दाते
Date. Not Ravarame. This is all a Pullinga Shabda. Where Date?
दाता
Datarau.
दातारौ
Data
एतौ
means giver.
दातारौ
Datra Shabda, Data means giver. Karmapala Data we say, right?
कर्तारौ कर्तारः ओके एते दातारः नेक्स्ट एषः वक्ता जस्ट एषः वक्ता एतौ वक्तारौ एते वक्तारः.
Till it becomes so fluent, we need to practice. Okay, we have to keep on doing. Even it doesn't matter, even if you repeat the same exercise a few times, it's okay. You have to do it. But I will not do it in the class. We will do something else like that. But you have to practice. It becomes so fluent. See, when you speak, Eshah Vakta, Eto Vaktaro, Ete Vaktaraha, so fluently must come. Comes only by practice, Abhyasa. Yeah, please continue.
एषः नप्ता एतौ नप्तारौ.
Naptaro, this is an exception. Sorry, Naptaro. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, sorry. Please do it. Correct. Naptaro.
Yeah. Ete Naptarah.
Napta means Naptra.
Napta means?
I'm asking you, what does it mean? I taught you already.
Napta.
Naptra, grandson.
Grandson.
Even though it is a familiar relation, but it is declined like age and noun base. That's an exception. Napta, Naptaro. Otherwise, what will be? Pita, Pitaro, Pitaraha. Mata, Mataro, Mataraha. Okay. Next one.
अयं देवा
Hmm.
इमौ देवा
Shabda.
देवा sorry
Brother-in-law.
पिता पितरौ okay देवारौ
Not Devarau. Pitarau. Devrau. Devarau.
it is familial
Yes, it's familiar. Pita Pitarau. Not Devarau.
पितरौ
Karta Kartarau.
पिता पितरौ okay देवरौ
Devarau.
yeah इमे देवारः
Devaraha.
पिता पितरौ पितरः okay देवरः correct Yeah.
So Pita Pitara only to start with. Every time you should hold on to it. You have to, that's the matter of practice. Okay. Anyway. Then
एषः भ्राता
hmm.
again this is also familiar
Familial, yes.
एतौ भ्रातरौ एते भ्रातरः
Very good. Yes. I know this is difficult. That's why we come to you. Write the meaning of the following masculine words. This is your homework. Find out from the dictionary. Or if you, Akuhu is already told. Akuhu, rat, Mumukshuhu, the one who is
seeker of knowledge.
Seeker of moksha. Arkaha, Suryaha, Ushtraha, camel, Bakaha, crane, Ajaha, goat, Agajaha,
Elephant.
Vrikshaha,
Tree.
Acharyaha,
Teacher.
Vicharaha.
Only the inquiry.
Vichara is inquiry. Inquiry. Chagaha. Another word for goat. Chagaha, Ajaha. Okay, all words you cannot remember. This is your homework. You can find out. It will go otherwise. That's a long one. This is maybe next class. Maybe we can see. Now 2 lines we will see. Then Ajagaraha, Python. Vainateya is Garuda. Vainateya Pakshinam comes in Gita. Okay, these 2 lines. Yeah, see. Other lines we'll see. You can find out for yourself, or we'll do it in the next class. Okay, next one. We'll continue the exercises. Abhyasaha. So this is also you can take it as a homework. I will send you this file. Please note this. Tad balaka is there. I want you to write Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, and Bhagavachanam. Example. First one, how do you write?
Yeshaha. Sorry.
Not Yeshaha. Saha.
Saha balakaha.
Saha balakaha.
Au balakaha.
balakaha.
Answers are there. They are hidden. Will come like this. Okay, but I have made it white. Okay, so answers are there. You just try this abhyasa. Please do it. It's a homework. And you can know the meaning also. What is the meaning of Khadga? Sword. Okay, Khadga.
Khadgamala.
Difference between Yeshaha and Ayam. What, Ushaji? Last few classes we are talking about that only, right? They're asking what is the meaning, what is the difference between that? You don't listen to the class after the class. Yeshaha, Ayam, what is the difference?
Yesha is closer.
Ushaji.
Near Asia.
Masculine, feminine, nothing is with the masculine, feminine. All are masculine only. Yeshaha is that refer to things which are closer, very close. I am referring to that which are close.
So in the previous framing of sentences, can we also use ayam in place of Esha?
If it is, if the form of the ayam is used, you use that. If the form of the Yeshaha is used, you use that.
Okay.
Whatever is used, that you have to use it.
Okay.
That's the exercise. Okay. But the meaning is same, this alone.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
See, all these things you need to remember. Okay. This is we have been discussing this since the last few classes. Yeshaha and the difference between Etad and Idam Shabda. Etad and what we chanted now. What is that shloka? What is that shloka we chanted? I asked you to memorize also that shloka. Ushaji, are you there? What is that shloka? Remember now shloka, I mean, I'm not asking you to remember the whole shloka, but we just now chanted the shloka. The shloka beginning with Idamastu Sannikrishtam Samipataravarti Chayetado Rupam. I hope you understand the meaning of that shloka, all of you.
Yes.
Adasastu Viprakrishtam Taditi Parokshe Vijaniyat. What does it mean? Idamastu Sannikrishtam. Sannikrishtam means close. So Idam Shabda is used to refer to things or objects which are close. Samipa Taravarti means Samipa is very close. For that we use the word Etad Shabda. Etad Shabda used to refer to those which are very near. Adasastu Viprakrishtam. Viprakrishtam is far. We use the Shabda. Others, it's not required now. We will not learn that now. Taditi Parokshe. Paroksha is which is far, beyond sight, beyond your perception, somewhere out of sight, out of your vicinity. Taditi, Tad Shabda is used. Okay, so this is the meaning, not the meaning. Remember, then this also you can take it as homework. I will send you this file. We are given the meanings of the words. Ganakaha, the letters are so small. Okay, please zoom it and see. Accountant Ganakaha. Writer, Lekhaka or Lipikara. All are Akaranta Shabda. Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Ganakaha. Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Lekhakaha Lipikaraha. Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Vrishchikaha, Scorpion. Pata, Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Pataka. Vrintaka, Vrintaha is eggplant. Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Vrintaka. Like that. The questions are here. Okay, you can answer. What is the, okay, for example, Yeshaha Kaha. What is the answer? What is the word for ascetic? You must know. So this is for developing the vocabulary. Vishnu Swamiji. Vocabulary for developing. So know the words and then answer. What is the word for ascetic?
Muni.
Munihi, very good. Munihi or Yetihi, whatever it is. Yeshaha Kaha. Yeshaha Munihi. Yeshaha Kaha. Creator.
Srishtikarta.
It's okay. Srishtikarta, you can say nothing wrong. Srishtikarta. Yeshaha Kaha, Yeshaha Srishtikarta. Yeshaha Kaha, what is the word for arrow?
Bana.
Yeshaha Banaha.
Manaha.
Enemy?
Arihi.
Arihi, Shatruhu, Ripuhu, Ukaranta Shabda, Shatruhu. Bo?
Hanu.
Huh?
Hanu.
Dhanuhu. Or Ikshuhu. Ishuhu, sorry, not Ishuhu. Ishuhu. Comes in Gita. Ishuhu. Then mirror.
Darpanam.
Darpanaha. Darpanaha. Demon.
Evil.
Rakshasa.
Rakshasaha or Daityaha. Ditehe, the son of Diti, is called Daitya, demons. Palm tree. Palm tree, mango tree.
Khajur.
Huh?
Vrishyaha
If you don't know what particularly palm tree, huh? What is that?
Khajur.
I didn't hear properly. Again.
I said khajur.
Kajur. I don't know what Kajur is. In Sanskritam, we have Trina Rajaha. Maybe difficult to see. Must be here the word. Palm tree. Where is the palm? Yeah. Trina Raja. Trina Raja. Akaranta Shabda. Trina Rajaha palm tree. Or if you don't know palm, just write Vrikshaha, it's okay. Yeshaha Vrikshaha. Like that, you please try this exercise. Ayam Kaha. Okay, this is what this you try. Pandava. Ete ke. What will the answer?
Ete Pandavaha.
Bhagavachanam. Pandavaha. Similarly, ete ke. Bull. What is the word for bull?
Rishabha.
Ete Rishabhaha. Or another word we saw. Vrishabhaha. Another word. Balivardaha. Remember Balivarda we saw. Similarly, other words you can try. Okay. The meanings are, the words are given, and the Sanskrit words are given in the table. You can just, I will send you this, you can go through. Similarly, frame the question. Prashnan Likantu. Again, here the words are given. Kumbhakara. Kumbhakaraha is pot maker. Taru, Vrikshaha, tree. Varnakaraha, painter. Vrishchika, scorpion. Prarachayitra, designer. Lekha Parikshakah, auditor. Devra, this is a shabda what you just read. Deva, Devarau, Devaraha, brother-in-law. Issue, arrow. Suta, Vasudeva Sutam Devam. Kamsachanura Mardhanam. Sutam is son. Suta is daughter. Jamatra, son-in-law. Rupitrika, cameraman. Khalanayaka. Khalanayaka is Khalnayaka, villain. Astipaka, Mahut. Naptru, Napta, Naptaro, Naptaraha, like agent known his grandson. Shauchalayaha, Prabandakaha, Utpadakaha, Tantragnaha. Tantragna is engineer. Now you can, I am Napta, for example. I'm not going to do this, you will see homework. I am Napta, what will be the Prashna? Shnaha.
I am Napta.
What is the question?
Aha.
I am Kaha, yes, I am Kaha. I am Napta, understand? Yete Vrishchikaha, these are scorpions. What will be the question? Prashnaha?
Ke,
Yete?
Ye.
Yete Ke, right? So Prashna is also Pullinga. See, Prashnaha, Prashno, Prashnaha, like Rama Shabda. Uttara is Napumsakalinga. Uttaram, Uttare, Uttarani. Don't take Uttaraha, Uttara, Uttaraha. That is like dot I have put, there's no space. Dot. In fact, see the title. Okay, Prashna Likantu, and another place I have given Uttarani, something I have mentioned.
Uttarani Likantu.
Uttarani Likantu. Uttarani, you can see Nattam also happened. Uttarani is Napumsakalinga. Uttaram, Uttare, Uttarani, like Palashabda. Prashnottara Ratra Malika. One book is there. Okay, then other Shabda we don't require. Now, that Shabda already we saw. I just close. You can go through all this. The next class, I think we will do some exercises below. It will take some time to do it. Yeah, this one. We will do that in the next class. Okay, this book I will send you. You can go through this. And we have a lot of exercises at the end, I think. Yeah, many are there. We will do. Is it repeating on that? If it is repeating, leave it. Okay. I think maybe repeating also. You can go through this. So this Anuvadam Likata, this is what I'm really interested. So for that, all the exercises what we have done so far, preparation. Who is that boy? Now the translation starts.
I am
Kaha
Kaha.
balakaha kaha.
I am Kaha.
See, boy is Balaga. That is Saha.
That Saha.
Saha Balakaha
Palakaha Kaha.
Kaha.
Kaha. This, within bracket, you can see near. Near means not
Deshaha.
very near, it's a near. Therefore, you should know what word should be used.
I am.
Understand, Ushaji?
Parvata.
This is a mountain. Then
I am parvataha.
Parvataha.
I am Parvataha. I am Girihi, whatever word is. These are cats near.
Ime
Ime
Um,
marjalaha.
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 Ime.
Marjalaha.
So, Yam Marjaraha, cats. Marjala, Marjaraha, Marjala also is there. Who are those two?
Taute. Tau
Tau.
tau.
Imau.
Tau kau.
Who are those two? Tau,
Kau. Kau.
Kau.
Tau, cow, simple.
Tau kau.
I am Ime.
Tau, cow.
Oh, Imo.
Why Ime? There is no
Imau.
Ime. Those,
Imau.
there is no Imam also.
Imo.
Those is referring to those people not near, right? Far.
That.
Therefore, that shabda you have to use. Saha taute.
Tau.
Tau.
Tau, cow.
Tau kau.
What are these? Many. Many in
Ete,
number.
ke.
Okay, that's what many.
Ete.
Ete. Etak
Ke.
shabda you have to use because very near. Ete ke.
Ete.
That is a sun.
Saha suryaha.
Saha Suryaha.
Kaha Suryaha.
Okay, we will do this exercise in next class. For that, this is all the preparation. Please do the homework. It's a lot of things are there homework. You do as much as possible. Okay. Next other things we will see in the class itself. Okay, we'll stop here. Any doubts? Anything you want to ask, please ask. I've got another class now. Please ask. Any doubts? Have I sent this book before? Yes.
I don't think so, sir.
Okay, I'll send this. Please go through this. Okay, we'll stop it. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Today is Bhimashtami, I think today.
Yes.
Bhimashtami. So it's good to do Tarpanam to Bhima. Sorry, Bhishma. Shamitam. Bhishma, not Bhima. Bhishmashtami. It's good to do Tarpanam to Bhishma. You know the procedure? Only 3 Tarpanam only. In fact, I do it every day for Bhishma also, along with Brahma Yajna. Bhishma, poor Bhishma, who will offer? So I will offer every day to Bhishmacharya. So today is something special. So Bhishmashtami. I can send you if you want that, but it's in Tamil. Yeah. In Sanskritam also I wrote written down long back. You can do.
Ramji, if it is in Tamil, then you have to teach us Tamil also.
No, I written something in Sanskritam. You can do that. I'll send you. Small paper I've written some that. Okay. As part of your Brahma Yajna, you can do it. If you are doing Brahma Yajna, I don't know how many are doing Brahma Yajna after the Madhyanikam it is done. If you are doing, you can do it. At least today you can do it. Okay, special. Okay, Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు.